What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a awesome recipe for you all. We are doing a shrimp fettuccine pasta that is out of this world. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit your boy with a like on the video to make sure YouTube knows you are loving this content. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are gonna begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt in there and drop in about a pound of fettuccine pasta. You could use any pasta you want, but we are using fettuccine today. Go ahead and drop it in and let it cook till it's about al dente, then drain it off. Took about 8 minutes for me. Like I said, go ahead and drain it and put it to the side as we work on the remainder of this recipe. I have my pan here to about a medium, drizzle a little bit of oil in there. I'm dropping in a little bit of minced garlic, a little bit of chopped onion. You're gonna go ahead and stir that in, let them talk amongst one another. And you're also gonna drop in a little bit of white cooking wine. And I'm just gonna let that cook off just for a little bit. In total, we let that go for maybe 3 to 4 minutes or so. Once that time is up, you want to go ahead and drop in your favorite pasta sauce. Go ahead and drop that in, and we are going to season this up with a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And if you like a little bit of heat, you could drop in like a pinch of cayenne or some red pepper flakes. It's up to you, but you could definitely spice this up a little bit if you want to, and that's awesome as well. So we're gonna go ahead and let that simmer for a little bit and then drop in our shrimp. We are using some peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail on, but you can use it with the tail off as well if you prefer it that way. So go ahead and drop that in. As you know, shrimp takes almost no time to cook, so we're just gonna mix it in and let this bad boy simmer right here for a good 5 minutes or so. And then once that time is up, we are gonna reintroduce our pasta that we have cooked and set onto the side. You wanna go ahead and mix it in with all of this yummy sauce right here and all of this yummy shrimp, just like so. Nice and easy. Now here comes my favorite part. It is time to plate up. Go ahead and grab your finest china and whip it out on the counter and go ahead and drop that pasta there. Go ahead and drop that shrimp on there. And I'm gonna garnish this with a little bit of Italian parsley. And I'm also gonna sprinkle on a little bit of mozzarella cheese, but you can use Parmesan as well if you prefer that. And you are ready to eat. Yo, when I tell you this is good, please believe me, that's an understatement. This is everything right here. And as you can see, it took no effort at all. You can do it too. Your family, your loved ones, they're gonna love this. All right. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.